Aminin na natin guys, reserba ka lang. Ikaw yung spare tire. Ikaw yung emergency light kung walang kuryente.
Welcome to the Deval Show.
When this person that you like cannot get anything that they want doon sa gusto nila, ikaw yung nagiging option. Let's say they invited this person for a date, yung gusto nila. The person refused to, so the next thing that you know, yung taong gusto mo, tinetext ka na. Hey, do you wanna go out with me? Kasi I don't have anybody to be with today. And ikaw naman, si tanga, si gago, diretso ka rin, okay, wala pang 1 second, reply ka agad, sige, where do you wanna meet? What time should I pick you up? Ganon. Thinking that this person really genuinely likes you, genuinely invited you, not knowing the fact na nireject lang pala siya ng isa. Kaya ikaw yung tinatawagan niya. So, alam mo yung tawag sa'yo? Back burner. And I know how hard this is. I know how painful it is para sa inyo to become a back burner or maging reserva. It's not a question, it's a 1, 2, 3, 'di ba? You not being chosen by the person is already in itself masakit. How much more you becoming an option? Parang ginagamit ka lang, right? Some people will think na this is totally fine. At least I'm getting something out of it. Kasi if I cannot have you as a romantic partner, then I'll settle for you choosing me as the second option. So okay lang ako dyan. Really? Totoo ba? Okay ka lang dyan? Sino ba yung tahaong gustong nasasaktan ng ganyan? Let me know kung may kakilala ka. Tag mo tong video na to. But with all honesty, I really think that everybody deserves that opportunity wherein they will find a person who will truly choose them amongst anything else in the world. Yung tipong pag nag-text ka, re-reply ng, yes, I'm free. Or ikaw na mismo ang iti-text, diba? I wanna be with you, can we go out? Yung tipong love na kind. Yung love na hindi ka pinapahintay, hindi ka ginagawang second option. You don't wanna be a back burner. The goal is for you to make sure that if this is the sign na nakikita mo sa taong gusto mo, run away. Alright? There is no other way but for you to get out of that situation because it's going to be a burden to you. It's gonna give you, such burden that you're going to have a hard time getting out of if tumagal pa yan. So, get away as fast as you can. Run. It's easy said and done. Yes, it is. You will go through the process of grief. You will go through the process of, gusto ko talagang replyan kasi I cannot afford this person na mawala sa akin. But what you have to understand is, in the long run, it's not going to help you at all. In the long run, this person may or may not, choose you talaga. And are you going to really stay there and gamble for that? What if it takes 10 years? 15 years bago siya nakapag-decide na, you know what? Pipiliin na lang kita. You're going to be the first option now. And do you really think that that's pure love? That's even the love that you want? That makes you wait that long? What if hindi mangyari yan? So anong mangyayari sa'yo? You lose all the opportunity of you finding an organic encounter with a person that God may have prepared for you. Right? Kasi buntot ka ng buntot, antay ka ng intay doon sa taong ginagawa ka lang second option. Back burner. Diba? I know it's really hard, but there are a lot of people in there that is going through the same process. Going through what we're talking about today. Kasi they do not have the courage to actually let go of the situation. They do not have the courage to accept the fact that they're not chosen, that they're just going to be an option. Because, alam mo yung taong ginagawa kang back burner, they're missing something out of the relationship na meron sila. It could be meron silang girlfriend or boyfriend or may gusto sila or they're just not getting something out of that relationship. But they don't want to let go of that relationship kasi yun yung pinipili nila. So, they're gonna get it from you. Ikaw yung pupuno ng kulang. O parang pelikula lang, diba? You don't want to be in that situation. Again, nobody wants to. Kasi, it's your sense of, for lack of a better term, peace of mind. If you want to maintain your peace of mind, run and walk away. Do everything that you can to forget about this person. This person doesn't deserve you because somebody in there, sa dami ba naman ng tao sa mundo? Ilang billion ba yung tao sa mundo? Don't tell me that you are never going to find somebody who is going to be attracted to you, who will love you, who will be kind to you, who will give you peace, who will choose you and not make you a second option. That is impossible. So run. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide. Yun yung gawin mo. Okay? Magtago ka na. Kasi that person doesn't deserve you at all and you don't deserve that person because what's important is yung peace mo. Don't be a backburner.